wiase de biara da meka ne se onsa na obeyi obi eni so atem bombode dia se obedi kan eyi wodie efre se woyi obi dia woyi wankasa wodie a wo kan obi dia unti otimi kan na waka ne ye ene ne sen edan no mo baka ya enche ena video bi ebetom montene se ye bo national anthem ena ohene bi ete ho ohene ne ansori chese ye mampani Nana Akufo Addo chese ni bu efu yie pa na endanu adade asi yempo de ende ono akasa ne twotwomcho ono akasa ne baba chese ye bo national anthem na ogina fon so ye ko na enomo ena ma wonim se ensamtwere adwuma yi de ye humpe ye beka eno ana chese ensamtwere ni a wagidin awo man mu ye pa se ba no morning show nsempa ye ba no morning show dia wagidin the captain of morning show the do na dinner your friend Captain Gosman Smart ye trying short friend Captain Smart abetu to be earlier mane chese Ghana mampanyi na adodankwa ana afa ne ba no pa me pa cho yenkwe ne yankwohwe video ne sane etie
Nana adodankwa Akufo Addo you reprimand His Excellency the President of the Republic
Ojai
Nana adodankwa Akufo Addo you reprimanded a chief a paramount chief. That's right. Go and tell him. Regional Minister, the Greater Accra Regional Minister is going there, directing the Greater Accra Regional Minister to go and talk to that paramount chief here in Greater Accra. Henry, call. Go and check. Henry, go and talk to him. Oh, look, the president, your board national anthem, go to him. You see how our president was angry? Now watch his daughter. When the same national anthem was being played. Now what time here? No kutafonu. Anthem ne ebono. Ne papa jina attention. Disrespected the national anthem. Oh, I mean, where was the president when the daughter did this? Shown total gross disrespect to the constitution and the entire nation called Ghana. Tasebio no bia hu ebono wafa ni mobile phone otie call. The national anthem will be answering na hodi. MC ya dey say. Phone etana so. President Bajan kuma na jina ne nchen. Emfa no ho. E dey oye. Osansu kutafan. President ba. Oye dread because the makeup no area boy e be nane. A man was so much more time when him to say concrete makes sense.
When you piano when it's the Bacho Wankasa one video no, and I want to watch in summer captain a kind. We am a agent so a 2 a month for say. So Becca Obia summer and answer obey obi any so out there. She would dear and answer so call be fear summer. But your bombardier D can come Wankasa with your fear. Kawankasa fear and now settle fear we are waiting me a month for dear. I'm more if you say other comments, but now I like no weapon share. I'm up for so in one year. Meeting Eddie Mansan Jamie Abbassi.